How to fix Belkin wireless charger not working. So a few things you can put in mind before you try contacting support, since of course they should have the best solution for you since they own the stuff. But if your Belkin wireless charger isn't working, you can start with the basics. So make sure the charger is plugged into a original outlet, so directly into the outlet, I mean. So this kind of thing, just in case. So plug it in directly. Make sure you're not using kinds of extension or something similar to that. And make sure you're using the correct wires, since many wireless chargers require a specific wattage and it won't really work properly with low power adapters. You can try a different wall outlet and check the cable for damage. You can also remove your phone case for your device, especially if it's thick, magnetic, or has a metal plate, since that can block charging. Also try repositioning your phone carefully in the center of the charging pad, depending on what model for your Belkin wireless charger is, but try repositioning it as well, since wireless charging requires proper alignment. So these are the common stuff you can put in mind. So you also have the option to restart your phone if it still doesn't charge, and confirm that your device does support QI wireless charging. So if you've never charged your phone with a wireless charger, then you're definitely gonna have to check if it is compatible for QI wireless charging. Clean the charging surface on the back of your phone and on the Belkin device. You can also check if your charger, again depending on what model, has an LED indicator. You can check the light color. So blinking or red usually signals a power or compatibility issue. So you can try using a different compatible phone to test whether the issue is within the charger or whatever device you're trying to charge. But those are a few common things you can do if your wireless Belkin charger isn't working. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.